Sometimes I get a sample that kind of blows me away, and this travel portable toothbrush is one of those things. I didn't even know something like this existed, but this would be very convenient if I was traveling, camping, just gonna be on a few days trip, because you don't have to carry your toothpaste with you. Let me show you this. Show you everything that comes with it. This is the base kind of thing. It's got the toothbrush in there. I'll show you how that works in a second. It comes with another toothbrush head in there. I'm not gonna take it out because I wanna keep it, you know, nice and protected. And this comes for cleaning out your little toothpaste compartment. This would also be really good if you have like a special kind of toothpaste that you need to use, because you can't always get that in the little travel trial size. And those travel trial size are expensive. They're way more expensive per ounce than a regular one. So this is your toothpaste compartment, and it just, can you see it? You would press that up. You just fill it up with whatever your toothpaste is. If you have a special toothpaste, like a sensitive toothpaste or something you need, this part goes right there, snaps into place, and you've got your toothbrush. So you can brush your teeth, you've got your toothpaste down here, put it right back in there for storage. Great for camping, great for short trips, great if you have a special kind of toothpaste. I was really impressed with this, and I'm impressed that it comes with all these extra things. Check it out for yourself. I would definitely buy this with my own money now that I've seen it.